How you can see that who visited your Facebook profile. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can see who viewed your Facebook profile. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go and open up your Facebook application, and from here you have to go in the menu. Now you have to click into your profile, and from here you have to go in the see dashboard. So basically the Facebook doesn't give you any specific option to see that who viewed your Facebook profile, but you can see and access from here by switching your account to the professional account. For that you just have to go back and click on these three dots, and from here you have to simply turn your account to the professional account. But you have to keep in mind that by changing the account to the professional mode, you are able to change everything over to public, so you can lose also a bit of privacy obviously, so you just have to keep in mind. But you can see that who viewed and who can access your Facebook profile by switching to the professional account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.